Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. So in today's video, we are going to see there is a one feature in Facebook for organic marketing. If you are an organic marketer, if you are doing Facebook organic marketing, I mean whether you are a affiliate marketer or you are a coach, you are a consultant, you are agency owner, and if you are doing Facebook organic, then I have to tell you some Facebook group strategy that is, a lot of people don't know about this feature. That feature is actually working for many people. So I'll be showing you some strategy for that. So let me make it clear first that if you are doing Facebook organic marketing, Facebook group, and don't follow uh, like multiple Facebook group. I mean, here I'm opening the Facebook group, and like a lot of people, what they do, they follow each and every Facebook group. Like they join 50 Facebook group and they try to engage with 50 Facebook group. So don't do that. Just follow 3 to 4 Facebook group where your dream customer are hanging out. If these are the paid groups, then that will be better for you. And like mostly join to the private groups. Don't go to the public group, because you know what, they are, most of these groups are spamming. Like they are doing all kind of spam. If you want to get your dream customer, then you go to those groups only where your dream customer are hanging out. So now what I say that when you are joined, like only follow those groups. Follow, where you can do is, here you go to the setting, and here you can like unfollow and follow those group like you as you wish, right? Like where your dream customer are hanging out, and rest of the, just follow those group where your dream customer are hanging out, and unfollow rest of the group where your dream customer are not hanging out. That's what I'm saying. Okay, and also turn off the notification from here as well. Turn on the notification from those for particular Facebook group. Okay, so now let us move to the main topic, right? The hidden feature that most of people don't know about the feature. Okay, so I'll be showing you right now. This is actually a lot of people are doing Facebook organic, but organic marketing, but they are not following this strategy. This is very useful. You know what? So let me show you. I have learned this from one of my mentor, and he actually got amazing result with that. He shown me that how did he made 150,000 dollar with this, using this strategy. Okay, let me show you. Okay, here I'm opening the ClickFunnels official Facebook group. Now after opening ClickFunnels official Facebook group, I'll go to the members here. Now I'll open my profile. Okay, so here I'm opening my profile. So now you see here I have a different cover picture. You can see in my profile, my original profile. Okay, let me show you here my, what is my original profile. Okay, Facebook.com. Here, okay, you will see that this cover picture and my Facebook main cover picture is totally different. There's two cover picture. So what I'm telling you is that Facebook has given you the new feature that you can edit this cover picture. When you click on the edit profile, you can edit your cover picture here, right? So that is the one advantage Facebook has given. What you can do, you can edit this cover picture, and you can also edit the bio as well. This is the last year, I mean in the year 2020, this feature was updated, but a lot of people don't know about this feature. Okay, you can get advantage of this feature. So when, what will happen, in my intro section, when you are using a smartphone, because most of people use smartphone when they are using Facebook, right? So they will see just below of my cover picture, they will see intro. Get a 30-day free trial to ClickFunnels and 14-day live coaching from Russell for free. Link above in my profile cover. So here also I'm using the call to action to click on my profile cover, and here also I'm using the click. They should click on my profile cover. What I written here: 100 uh, wanted 100 highly motivated people who are looking to build their business online, who have not built a funnel yet. Get a 30-day free trial to ClickFunnels. So when they'll click here, where they'll go, you can see here. Uh, they will be going there, right? A call to action where my affiliate link is there. So this is the one way you can do affiliate marketing, right? For a particular group. Why I'm saying, because once you will answer some, suppose you are going to certain groups. Okay, now you are in the ClickFunnels Facebook group, and some people have answered any question. Okay, so people have asking what question about the problem they are facing. Okay, you can answer here. So here, like what app do you use for sending email? So if someone is answering that question, right? So when someone will click here, okay, so suppose I click here. Okay, this person, Now what you will see that this person has his own, he's not like he as this is, I think I think this is his main cover picture. So let's see. Yeah, he has not changed anything. Okay, so this is he's actually main in the its main cover picture. He's not have modified for this ClickFunnels group. I mean, he's don't have particular cover picture for, I mean, for each and every group. So you need what will do. This is the advantage of doing this thing. Actually, when someone, as I've shown, so I also did for some like 3 to 4 groups. I have chosen 5 groups and I have make separate cover picture for every group, right? So you can also do it for that. And from where you can make this cover picture? From Canva. You can go to the canva.com and just you know, if you want a template, I'll be dropping the link of the template in, like in the description. You'll get the link so that you can also make your own cover picture. So that is the one way you can do it. It's just the very easy way. This is very effective way you can do it. A lot of people don't know about this. Okay, I'll show you some more groups. Okay, what I did actually, what you will do when you are in certain group, when you are into certain group, like if you are into ClickFunnels group and if you promote the ClickFunnels product, so what will happen is that you have an, if people don't see any link here. Okay, suppose people cannot see any link here, right? ClickFunnels has not provided any link here. You can see here no link is seen. Okay, so when you have answered this, okay, this is also advantage that you can directly sell, because as they are ClickFunnels in the members of ClickFunnels and they see this opportunity that you are using, 30 days, they will get 30-day ClickFunnels free access, and also uh, Russell, teaching that where I put in my profile as I've shown you, right? So what will happen is that, so this is the one advantage you have. So that what I mean actually. Now I'll go to my group again and I'll show you some other groups where I did the same setting. Okay, like I'll show you some other group. For this group also I have separate setting. Okay, so you can see here, you will go to the this setting. Here you can see launch your first online business. So this is actually a list line program. The means the the group that I'm uh, in, the group name is 3-day fast track challenge. Okay, so 3-day fast track challenge is actually, it's a product. It's a high ticket affiliate program, and what I'm also an affiliate of this. So what I did, I just launch your first online business completely. I just did this. Okay, I just made a cover picture or for particular group. So when someone click there, they will also go here. My affiliate link will be there, like Listland VIP program. So what mean Listland VIP? So why I'm doing this, because when I will answer the question, someone will click on my profile, right? What will happen? As I've shown you earlier, right? When someone will click my profile, they will come and see this. So that is the advantage you have. So I hope you get some value, right? You are like, what, this is the easy trick, very easy trick you can do for a particular. Don't just target each and every Facebook group. Just select 3 to 4 Facebook group and try to add value on those Facebook group, and just turn off other, notification from other groups. Just concentrate on 4 groups. I think you'll get, people will be start noticing you, and if they see value you're providing, then they'll click on your, uh, then you make it a affiliate sale, who knows. So that is a very, a nice way to engage with people. So I will be just answer here. Okay, so I hope you got the idea, right, how to do the thing. So if you get some value, so don't forget to, like the video and drop your comment, valuable comment. Thank you so much for watching. And by the way, I'll be dropping the link of this cover picture in, I mean, in my description. So thank you so much for watching.